From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your weather tonight.
Clouds will be on the increase as we head through the overnight and the early morning hours of our Wednesday. Here's your hourly forecast for tonight, and dropping out of the 60s into the 50s, but not going to drop too fast as we head through the overnight because those increasing clouds will act as an insulating blanket. So I think most of us will be within a couple degrees of the mid 50s for morning lows, warming back up into the mid to upper 70s for daytime highs as we enter our Wednesday. Here's the Futurecast breakdown tonight. And upper 50s to lower 60s across the area, but as the clouds increase as we head through the overnight, that cooling slows down toward daybreak, and temperatures south of the Tennessee River may actually climb toward daybreak toward the lower 60s for morning lows here as we head forward. No rainfall in the morning, but as we head to the afternoon, I can't rule out a couple showers making it up into the area. Otherwise, mostly cloudy for our Wednesday. I think most of the shower activity, what little bit there will be in North Alabama versus southern Middle Tennessee. But Futurecast is showing a couple of showers across southern Middle Tennessee, so can't rule out the threat of that. Heavier, more widespread rain south of our area completely. Daytime highs once again tomorrow, mid to upper 70s. A few folks sneaking up into the lower 80s as we into the afternoon. And then as we go forward into the overnight, still hanging out in the 60s through the evening with mostly cloudy skies before morning lows once again in the mid 50s tomorrow night and headed in Thursday morning. A mix of sun and clouds for Thursday, maybe a shower or two overnight Thursday night and early Friday morning. And then Friday afternoon and evening with the cold front moving in, maybe a couple more showers or a thunderstorm or two, but no widespread heavy rain, no severe storms expected despite the cool down that will be coming behind this front as well for the weekend, with daytime highs headed back to the 60s over the weekend, lower 60s Sunday into Monday after being not too far from 80 degrees the next couple days. Also notice the morning lows over the weekend and early next week headed back to the low to mid 40s across the area. So we're definitely in the pattern to repeatedly get our fall cold fronts moving through now, and that's why the Climate Prediction Center's temperature outlook for the 6 to 10 day period for the middle of the month suggests pretty good confidence of at least slightly below average temperatures here. The darker blue doesn't mean cold, it just means a higher confidence of temperatures running below average. So even if we see a warm up or two going forward, we do see the cold fronts coming through as we head through October, as we would naturally expect this time of year as the jet stream starts to get more active. Kids headed off towards school in the morning. Here's the bus stop forecast. Mostly cloudy for the morning. Temperature starting out in the mid 50s, headed to the mid to upper 70s by the afternoon, with just a slight chance of a rain shower or two across the area. Otherwise, mostly cloudy. Here's your forecast as you head forward for your Wednesday. Warming up into the mid to upper 70s for daytime highs. Mostly cloudy, maybe a shower or two in the afternoon, but most of us probably going to stay dry. The widespread or heavier rain is going to be well off to the south of our area over the southern half of Alabama and closer to the Gulf Coast, but maybe a shower or two up here. Another chance for maybe a shower overnight Thursday night. And then Friday afternoon, Friday evening with the cold front, maybe a shower or even a thunderstorm involved. No widespread heavy rain, no severe storms. Clearing skies and cooler temperatures for the weekend as we head back to the 60s for daytime highs and morning lows in the 40s. There's the latest 7-day forecast. Ben Luna's back in the Weather Center tomorrow morning with another check of your local weather.